Hello, and welcome to the beer chugging tutorial. My name is Adam, and I will be your guide and mentor. First things first, if you'd like to learn how to crush a beer, you have to learn how to control your throat. Here's how. Now you can try this exercise, which will teach you how to control your throat by drinking water on the ground. Now watch. Get yourself some water. Put it in. Now once you have that mastered, you can do it with your mouth open. In this way, you are training your mouth and your throat to detach. Let's see that upright, mouth open. Get your water. Mastery of the throat is key. Now what you should be conscious of is the action of swallowing. So, as you're drinking, your throat goes up and then it closes down. Maybe I can show you with some water. So look closely. Now that downward motion is your esophagus closing and your airway opening, because there's a flap in there that flips back and forth. And the upward motion is what lifts the flap, and the downward motion is what closes it. So the key to chugging beer is to be able to take in as much liquid on that upward motion as possible. So if you can get half a pint down in one upward motion by training your muscles and suctioning the beer into your belly, the faster you can chug beer. Now what you're going to look for is a light beer. The lighter, the better. The easier it goes down. A heavy chug is never enjoyable. And you want to chug it out of a glass, because that allows your mouth to open up the most. Nice. Now let's hope I get this in one take, because it would be very unpleasant to chug more than one beer tonight. So the key is to place the lip of the glass on the corner of your lips, like that. Now you want to create a suction on your lower lip so you're not dribbling beer all over the ground. Now remember that open mouth swallow that you mastered earlier? Sure. You want to do that. You do not want to do that while you're drinking the beer. You want to keep that open mouth, because the bigger your mouth is, the more beer in the mouth. The more beer in the mouth, the bigger the gulps. The bigger the gulps, the faster it goes down. Watch. My belly's full of water. I'm not sure if this will be fast. Now, if you can, and I don't know if I can, because it usually works only on an empty stomach, you can actually train yourself to just open your esophagus. And that's very difficult. It's easier with beer. I think it has to do with carbonation. It's easier than water, at least. I think it has to do with carbonation. But as you're drinking, and the more you do it, the more you're going to feel that tendency for that upward throat motion to swallow the whole beer for you. Okay, so here we go. All right, here we go. That was a good one. Usually takes like a primer gulp, and once that gulp is in, it will like that. It'll like just start pouring into your throat. That's all I can say. Cheers.